another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to fix up your T-wise noses if you tried to on your own and it didn't really work like this and this. So yeah, let's get right into it. First step is to try to cut off the noses that you put on. So I'm just gonna here, I only used hot glue, so it wasn't that bad. And now it's gonna get hard. Okay, since my pesky dog chewed off all of my Faye's noses and this guy's, so I'm just gonna use this as a mold. So now what you're gonna need, I'm just gonna throw these away. Don't save them, you don't really need them. So now for this step, you're just gonna need some white Play-Doh. Actually, any Play-Doh of your choice. It doesn't really matter what color. And some of this. So first is to get about this much off of your parchment paper. Pretty sure this is what this is called. That's what this is called. Okay, so about like this much. Now you're gonna take your Play-Doh, and now you just need a small bit, about this much. Oh, this much. Yeah, this much. So now you're just gonna roll it into a ball, set it, and then grab your nose piece if you have it, and you need to make more. Just press it in. Like that, and then yeah. Okay guys, now that you've done that step, now is for the filling. Now what you're going to need is some hot glue, so some black paint. I'm using puffy paint, sorry, and a brush. You could really use any type of paint that your nose was before, or a custom one that you want to make. So now you're going to take your mold, and right where you put that little centerpiece, you're going to put it there. And I'm also just going to fill this there. Okay, now while that's drying, I'm going to make another one, and here it is in fast mode. Oh guys, wait, this way was just one way, but then the next way is a little bit easier. So now what you're going to do is you're going to get your piece of Play-Doh. You're going to roll it in a ball again, and then you're going to be placing your little nose thing there again. And now you have to fill this part with parchment paper. So I'm just gonna do this. And make sure it's flat. So I think that's good enough. Now, so this is what it should look like. About, or if you make yours better, that will be fine too. Now you're gonna get your puffy paint and just squirt, or any type of paint. I prefer puffy paint though, because there's this whole thing, and squirt a little down there. Guys, make sure you don't ruin your Play-Doh and you put this parchment paper there. Okay, now you are going to need a small brush. I'm just mixing this one up a little bit. Oh, it's powder in it. Fascinating. Okay, now you could either take a toothbrush or Why did I just say toothbrush? I meant a paintbrush or a toothpick and just spread the paint around in the mold. Make sure you get it everywhere you want the paint to be. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw this one away. Okay, now you're gonna get your hot glue and hot glue gun. Make sure you do this with a parent if you're not very skilled to do it. Now you're just gonna put this up in there. I'm gonna cut the excess off of mine though, so yeah. If you have hot glue like mine, that's this cloudy color, and then in your mold you see it's a cloudy color, then now you can take it out. Or if you don't have this kind, just grab a toothpick and put it in. Okay, if you did it correctly, it should look something like this. And don't worry, it'll be better. Now all you have to do is grab your scissors, cut off the excess, but be very careful when doing this. You don't want to cut your fingers, and you don't really want to ruin your perfect nose for your TY. At this point, I was just trying to make the nose as perfect, not really, as possible, or as good looking as possible, so yeah. Okay guys, well this is what it looks like. It should have that feel of the nose that you had, kind of, a little bit. And they should be roughly about the same size, but I don't think mine is the same size. Mine seems way smaller, as you can see. So, don't know if that will really work, but yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna stick my toothpick in. Yes, it's the one from earlier. It's still not done, so yeah, don't know what to do now. Oh, yes I do. So now guys, if you made this one, if you were testing out too, now you're just gonna put a dot. That scared me a lot. A little wide, fell down. Okay, now you just, it farted a little bit. Oh, geez. That's one way to do it. Maybe you're just gonna put some paint on here, not glue. Just be very okay. Now you're just gonna wipe it around a little bit. If this is permanent paint that you're using, I wouldn't really do this. So yeah, or just be very, very careful. Now you could just grab, I don't know, a paper towel and just put your nicely painted, yours is probably gonna look better than mine, guys, your nicely painted nose over there. So yeah, now you have to wait for the paint to dry. If you're using puffy paint like me, it'll take about, I don't know, like a few days. And then if you're using other paint, I don't really know how long. So now you can take your other one out and see how you did. I mean, the puppy paint isn't gonna be dry yet. So yeah. Oh no, I'm getting it everywhere. So don't play with it like I was doing. Just let this be in the mold for a couple of days, and then you get your pt1 noses. Okay guys, also I have a little bit extra for you guys who have animals like me. If your animals, dogs, cats, whatever you have, destructed your toy a little too much because they were having a little too much fun or didn't get caught, or you got caught later, here it is all ripped. So yeah, I'll teach you how to fix that. Okay guys, you could either sew this to make it look nicer, or you could just put some hot glue here. I'm just gonna, that scared the heck out of me. Okay, so that looks about good. It just looks like he has no nose. So yeah, if you guys saw my one video on where the Dr. Zero, he tried to fix up my animals, you saw, or the animals, you saw that he had doused their noses in water and the penguin's eye with water, and you can do that if you want, if it's all stiff, because then all the animal spit will come off. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see part 2 of how to get your guys's or your animals' noses on. So yeah. Oh, and guys, be sure to look out for my new video I'm gonna upload today. So yeah, it's gonna be with a one of my friends. She's also a YouTuber. So yeah, guys, please subscribe to her channel too. She only has 4 subscribers. She needs some help, so please do subscribe to her. And so yeah, also guys, make sure you subscribe down below so you guys can join the Penguin Clan too. I don't know what I'm gonna call you guys. You still have to go back in that video that I made and tell me what you want me guys to call you. You have to comment down below on that video. I'll leave a link in the description to that video. So yeah, bye guys. Oh guys, also make sure to ring that bell button to get notifications when I upload a new video. And comment down below. Let's see. Comment down below pizza if you have gotten through the whole video. So yeah, bye guys, see you in the next vid. I meant to say video. So yeah, roll to the outro.